Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you to all of my existing subscribers. I truly do appreciate it. You guys, believe me, I am extremely humble. I love the fact that you comment, you like, you share, you tell me what you like, you kind of tell me what you don't like or what's not your style, and that's cool, and I like that because guess what? We all have an opinion, and I want it to be heard. So without further ado, basically, you guys, I am going to unbox this because I have been waiting for a month for this. A month. So if you see this, don't mind it. Like when I say I literally walked in the house from the airport, I literally walked in the house from the airport. I just came back from out of town, took my daughter to her first concert, which was BTS, and I had a good time. They're really great acts. If you ever get the chance and the opportunity to go and see them, go see them. Like, I was really impressed. I actually am putting something up with a little bit of it on my channel so you guys can kind of see if you have, you know, family, friends, kids, nieces, nephews who like them. You can kind of see what the concert is a little bit about, but just want to kind of have you experience what we experienced, what she experienced, and believe me, she was extremely happy. We had great seats, and she definitely deserved it. She's a really great kid, and I'm really proud of her, and I'm happy I was able to do that. But again, she does know that is graduation present, birthday present, Christmas present, New Year's present, anniversary present when you get married, push present when you have a kid. Listen, those tickets did not come cheap. Worked very hard for them, but I was happy I was able to do that for her. And it was crazy because the day we were leaving, my SA called me and said, listen, it is in. And I was like, wait, what? So I moved really quickly, hurried up. Like, I was looking horrible, like horrible. And I went to the Louis Vuitton store, have a little snippet, you know, in my little vlog with the BTS concert or whatever. So it's my first vlog, so I really don't know how I did. So you guys let me know if you liked it. You know, give it a thumbs up. Give this a thumbs up. But again, I was really, truly excited with this. And I'm just going to get to it because I'm sure if you've already seen my other videos, I do not like unboxings because I'm so impatient. So I don't want to keep babbling on. So this is a magnetic box. This is what I got. And if anybody follows me on Instagram, you kind of have an idea of what it is. Okay, so if anybody has an idea of what it is, just comment below, let me know. I'll just wait a few seconds. Okay, I can't. So either which way, I ordered this on April 7th. My SA called me on what was this past Friday? Okay, so I ordered this on April 7th. April 7th. My SA called me on April 17th, literally over a month. And because it's been back ordered, and I guess they did not realize how much or how many orders that they were going to receive, but I just made it in to get my order, and I was so impatient. I hope my SA did not get irritated with me, but I was so excited when I ordered this. I really liked it. It kind of like grew on me when I first saw the collection, and I was kind of just like, but I saw it, I loved it, and it is none other than dun, dun, dun. It is the On The Go. Yes, it's so pretty. Let's look at this in all its glory. Okay, so we know that it is a giant monogram collection. And it is from the spring, summer 19, again, summer collection. Actually, it is a summer capsule collection, the giant monogram collection. And they had different colors for these. I actually liked this particular color. Everybody's kind of iffy with it because they really didn't like this color. I like red. A majority of some of my bags are red, and I like it. And if I ever wanted to, I can always switch because it's pink on the other side. You have it to where it's the mini monograms. You have this orange side right here. Again, the pink side right here with the giant monogram. You have this yellow side right here. I believe that's a lime and purplish. And of course, back to the red. You do have the black and white handles. And it is gorgeous. Like, I am in love with this bag. When I saw it in store, because they had one to actually show, so when I saw it in store, I really loved it. I think the bag is completely adorable. It definitely reminds me of the Dior book tote, and I think the Dior book tote is just a little bit more structured, so it's really hard, but for some reason, I think this is really playful. I think it's cute. You can use it as whatever you want to use it as. This is definitely going to be a bag that I use, an everyday bag. It's very spacious. I actually bought a Samorga bag organizer, and I did look at it before I left. I put the bag organizer in, and it seemed to me that it was a little bit big. So I didn't like that. Okay, so the organizer, I popped it in there before I left, and it seemed a little big. It seemed a little big. And when I put it in there, it actually made the on-the-go kind of extend outwards with the side of the bag. And I didn't like that. I like the way it looks just as is. I don't want anything to kind of warp the bag. It's a very beautiful bag. So this is the inside of the bag. You have a zipper pocket on this side. You actually have two smaller pockets right below the zipper pocket. Nothing on this side. So with this particular bag, you can actually hold it as a top handle, you know, in the crook of your arm. Or if you want, you can actually take out the straps and hold it as a shoulder bag. And the majority of the time, that's probably what I am going to do. But the bag is beautiful. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I don't know. I'll try to look for a different bag organizer because I definitely don't want anything to mess this bag up. Made in France. You have the clasp closure right here. But I'm going to show you the organizer because it's really cute. And again, it's from Samorga. And the thing about it is, this organizer is adorable. It actually has a zipper closure. And you would definitely think that the size would fit for this. So I guess you can get it slim, but I'm going to try it again. But again, it just seemed like it kind of like popped outward. And maybe it's a top because I didn't actually realize that this is Velcro up here. This right here is for more security. That way, because this bag is really just open, just a big open compartment. So if you wanted to, you keep this on, but if you don't want to, you can actually just take it off. So now it's just open. I'm going to take this stuffing out. So now you have a huge compartment here. You actually have pockets right here. And this actually came with something. So this is really cute. I was really impressed. And I like that. I don't know what I'll use it for. Probably a little card holder or what have you. But it was adorable. You have more pockets on this side. And again, just a big open compartment right here. So maybe because the stuffing is out, it might kind of like bend a little bit more. I'm not sure. But we will see. So that's the bag organizer. It's really cute. So I don't know. We'll see. Either which way, I love the bag organizer. It's really cute. I just have to see if it works. And I will definitely let you guys know. Okay. So before I got this on the go, I actually purchased something else from Louis Vuitton. So, of course, you know the blue ribbon. Very, very beautiful. Love it. Let me just open it this way because what I purchased comes in this opening right here. So I'm just going to take that off. So again, from the Louis Vuitton Summer Capsule Giant Monogram collection, it is the notebook. I have a thing for notebooks. I love to write. I love to write things down. And I thought this was completely pretty. Oh my gosh. So you open it, inside you have that black and white pattern, just like you have on the handles here. And then of course, just regular paper. You have it to where it says Louis Vuitton at the bottom. So pretty. And then in the back, you have it to where, of course, this particular one right here, the book was made in Italy, as you can see. And I don't know how much writing I'm actually going to do in here, because this is really nice. And a lot of times I actually collect these, because I do have one more notebook that I have not used yet, because it's just so pretty. But I love this color. And I keep thinking that I probably should have gone with this particular color and this on the go, but you know what? I like the color that I picked, and you know what? It still kind of matches, because you have this side right here. And then of course, if you turn it around, you have this side right here. So it's cute. I love it. I'm just going to kind of put it in there. It's going to be my little on the go tote and my little notebook. So there you have it. It is just a quick little unboxing. You guys let me know what you think. Somebody tell me out there if they were able to snatch the summer capsule on the go, or maybe the bum bag, or maybe even the Speedy or Neverfull. So if you have it, comment below, let me know. Let me know what you think about this color. Let me know what you think about the on the go tote. So there you have it. It is no longer in stock. Anybody who is actually getting it right now, they already either pre-ordered it, or they already went into the store and ordered that way. If they're lucky enough to order it online, they're still getting their bags in the mail. So there you have it. Let me know what you think. I simply adore this bag. I love it. It's completely adorable, completely cute. Again, let me know what you think, you guys. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts on the Louis Vuitton on the go. I'm extremely happy it is finally here, and I am going to start using it right away. Again, you guys, thank you for subscribing. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and push that button. Like, comment, share. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you in the next video. All right? Bye-bye.